Hi folks, welcome back. We've got a super cool hi-fi we've just completed in this brand new Ford Ranger. It's not a normal client. We've actually done this for Ford, and this is one of their demo vehicles, so we're quite chuffed to have been asked to do that. We've installed well, first of all, we've soundproofed the life out of this. So I mean, we've done all four doors, the whole floor pan, we've dropped the headliner down, we've done the whole roof section, we've soundproofed everything you can soundproof in this car. All the backs of the door cards. We've gone for a three-way Hertz Mille Legend component up front. So we've actually got a 7-inch in the door there. And we've got the 3-inch in tweeter and these really funky builds up here. So they are really cool. There's the mid on this side. There's some serious work in there. In fact, I can tell you that this installation was 148 hours approximately, because we kept pretty good track of it. So it gives you some idea of how long it takes to fit a system of this caliber. That's without tuning. So that are the components up front. We've also gone for a Hertz coax in the rear door. Actually, we're using it mostly for mid-bass, but it depends which mode we're in. And in the back here, this is cool. Got the 2 amps in here, all beautifully lit and displayed. So that's the slave amplifier, 6-channel slave amplifier, and that's the 5.11, so that's a 5-channel amplifier. And basically, we're using the 5 channels over there. We're using the 4 of the channels to drive the mids and tweeters in the top of the dash, and then the mono channel drives the sub, which I'll show you in a second. And then we have used the slave amplifier, bridge 4 of the channels to drive the 7-inch mid bass in the front doors, and the other 2 channels drive the rears. So everything taken care of. Now, as well as the work we've done, I mean, look at this, it's just lovely. Really, really funky, really pleased with this. Looking forward to handing it over. It's Ed's car. He'll be here in a little while, so we get to play some music together, and it does sound incredible. The subwoofer channel, oh, that's what I was going to say. So we trimmed the A pillars, but then to keep it all in keeping, we did the B pillars and we did the C pillars as well. So we've done all that in-house. That's all Alcantara, so it all looks lovely. Got the amplifiers here. And underneath here, got the 10-inch Mille Legend subwoofer. 8-inch Mille Legend subwoofer. Everything's lit, as you can see. It's all controlled from the factory switch panel up there, so we had to go into that, rewire it to make it permanently live rather than ignition fed, and then put the illumination to everything. So there you go. That's what 147 hours of car audio installation looks like. It's pretty funky, isn't it? This was carpeted. We resined all of this and then flatted it all back again, and then trimmed it in Alcantara, so it all looked nice, so it all matched. Yeah, you're pretty limited to where the amps can go, and you've got these recesses in the backs of the seats. That's why they sit a little bit lower than we'd really like, but I think you'd have to agree it looks pretty cool, especially with the sub. So there you go. The next Ford demo car. Hopefully everyone that gets to listen to it will enjoy it. We've certainly enjoyed installing it and tuning it. Thanks very much for watching.